Today we're making Pork Xiao Long Bao, delicate, thin-skinned soup dumplings filled with juicy pork and flavorful broth. The ingredients are on screen, so let's get started. Start by gathering all your fresh ingredients: flour, ground pork, gelatinized stock, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine, sugar, cornstarch, scallions, and water. Fresh pork will give you the juiciest dumplings. In a small bowl, dissolve the yeast and sugar in warm water and let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy and bubbly. Combine the flour and vegetable oil in a large bowl. Gradually add the yeast mixture and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough for 10 to 12 minutes by hand or 8 minutes in a mixer until smooth, elastic, and slightly tacky to the touch. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm, draft-free spot for about an hour or until it doubles in size. In a bowl, combine the ground pork with soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, grated ginger, minced garlic, sugar, and cornstarch. Mix gently to blend all flavors. Carefully fold in the cold gelatinized stock to the pork mixture, creating the signature juicy filling that will become soup inside the dumplings. Fold in the chopped scallions and refrigerate the filling for 20 to 40 minutes. This firms it up, making wrapping easier. Punch down the risen dough and divide it into 28 small uniform balls of about 20 grams each. Cover and let them rest for 15 minutes. Roll each dough ball into a thin disc around 3 to 4 inches, keeping the center slightly thicker to hold the filling. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of the pork filling in the center of each dough disc, ready for pleating. Carefully pleat the edges of the dumpling, making 18 to 20 folds, and twist to seal tightly. Place each dumpling on a parchment square. Let the assembled dumplings rest for 15 minutes, allowing the dough to relax and proof slightly. Line your bamboo steamer with parchment paper or cabbage leaves and bring water to a gentle boil in your wok or pot. Arrange the dumplings neatly, spacing them about 2 inches apart to prevent sticking as they expand. Steam the dumplings over medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Avoid opening the lid to maintain condensation and perfect texture. Carefully remove the dumplings and let them cool for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. For a crispy variation, pan-fry the dumplings' bottoms until golden brown for 8 to 10 minutes, or air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping halfway. Arrange the dumplings beautifully on a serving plate and garnish with chopped green onions, cilantro, chili oil, or steamed vegetables. Serve immediately while warm. Take a bite and watch the savory broth burst inside. Perfect with a soy vinegar dipping sauce. Absolutely irresistible.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. For more delicious recipes, visit dintaifungmenu.com.